Okay, so I've got the calculator out. We can see the price up here. Now this is 15.89, and we can see in feedback we've got up here 507 feedback. But remember, not everybody leaves feedback, so we're using this as a rough estimate. So as a rough estimate, this here has earned over £8,000, and this is pounds, so in dollars that's a little over 9,000, and this is one example. Okay, so let's move on to step 2. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School, and welcome to today's video. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you an absolutely awesome method for making money online. And I'm not just going to share with you one method, I'm going to share 3 methods with you. And if you watch this video till the end, as a bonus, I'm going to share with you some more free software. So we'll look at a couple and I'll share with you, different ways of making money with this. And it's genuinely a straightforward and a simple way to make money online. You don't need any skills, you don't need any experience, and what we're looking at today, it's all free. And we're using AI software which speeds up the entire process for us, okay? And look, if you want more resources for earning online, you can go over to my website. It's called Not Taught at School. There's lots of articles on here for making money online and working from home. So let's jump over here and I'll show you one of the softwares. So this one is called Remove BG, which stands for background. And let me show you how this works. So you can see on here, we've got a picture of a dog. And if I just drag this over here, we can see the background just disappears, okay? Straightforward and simple. We can do this with anything, cars, products, people, etc. Okay, now let's have a look at this one. Let's see what happens here. Yeah, so there we go. And as we can see here on this website, it's absolutely free. So you upload an image and then basically, you can see here, remove image background 100% automatically and free. So this is one website and I'll share with you some more in a little bit. But let me just show you the potential with this one website here. Because bearing in mind, as we can see over here, look, it's free. It just takes some time and effort. So I've come over here onto Fiverr, and you can see I've just typed in this background remove from image, okay, at the top here. And if we scroll down here, we can see we've got all of these people offering this as a service over on Fiverr. Now this person here, let's go into this account here, we can see £15 and we'll click on basic. So the basic account is £3.97, so a little over $5. They've got a standard and also a premium. And basically, we can see over here, they've got 507 feedback. And bearing in mind, not everybody goes ahead and gives feedback. And they've currently got one order in the queue. And all they're doing, as we can see on here, is they're literally removing a background. So they put this up on Fiverr, someone sends them a picture, and they literally use software to remove that background. It's not difficult. It certainly isn't hard. And using software like this one, it's 100% free. So that's one example for you. Now, over on this Remove BG, as we can see, it is free. Now, the other software I want to share with you is where's it gone? This one over here, which is called Cutout Pro. Now, over on this Remove BG, you can see they do other things, so you can go through and have a look at these. Now, on this website over here, this Cutout Pro, they actually have more resources in here, and we can see down here they can, what's this, remove unwanted objects. So if I just the person in the picture was the unwanted objects, so you can see it just gets rid of them there. We've got remove background from video. That's pretty cool. Yeah, quite like that. That's cool. Come further on the page, we've got face cutout, so just chop somebody's body off. We've got remove background from photo, and it's pretty straightforward. Now, this website over here as well, you can see here, look at this, photo colorizer. That is pretty cool. We've got a photo enhancer, animator. Blimey. You can play around with this for a while, can't you? So this is another example. So you see this over here, this photo colorizer, whereby somebody sends you an image in black and white, and we can simply add colour to this. Well, guess what? Is there a marketplace for that? Yes, there is. So if I come over to here, this is on Fiverr, and we've just put in colorize black and white photo. And if we scroll down here, we can see, look, I will colorize a black and white photo, restore your old images. And look, by the way, we're looking at Fiverr here. This isn't the only website. I'll share a couple more with you in a second. But basically, you can go through and start to get an idea for this. So look, again, here, look at this one, starting at, so that's what, a little under $9 to colorize a black and white image. So let's scroll down here. Yeah, so literally it's one picture, this one. If you click on standard, they will what's photo. Let's have a look at premium. I thought there was going to do more than one image, but they're not. And you can just go through and have a look at this, and I think you get the gist. They're basically taking it from black and white to colour like this, so it enhances the picture. Okay, and you can read about the gig and other bits. But again, this person here, they're offering this service on Fiverr, but as I've mentioned, you can use other platforms. So this is another one. It's called People Per Hour. These are basically freelancing websites, and you can go to guru.com, SEO Collects, and many of these. And for colorized photo projects, there's 110. So look, photo edit 2 photos. It's a fixed price of £38. Come down here, color grading, photo retouching, fixed price of £10. Come down here, and you can basically go through, and you see where it says over here, look, send proposal. You basically send them a message or an email on here saying how much you will do the job for, and that's it basically. So you can go through and send proposals to, well, providing that you can do these, any of them, and we're using the softwares which are absolutely free. This one's free. I mean, they do all have pricing, and I'll share this with you now. So over on this Cutout Pro, you can see they've got all of these wonderful solutions on here. And if we come up to pricing, it works on a credit system over here. So if we click on pricing here, and I'll show you how this works. So look, we can see over here, free account. You get 1 free credit. Get more credits if you have an invitation code, okay? Invite your friends and you can earn 5 credits. So, if you know someone who might, find this useful or send it to friends and family, you can also get 5 free credits. And if we come up here, look, 1 image equals 1 credit for image background removal and also retouch. And then we've also got 1 image is 2 credits for a cartoon selfie, passport photo, etc. Now here's the thing, what I quite like about this Cutout Pro as well is, once you've used your free account credits, normally these AI softwares go on to something which is a subscription plan whereby you have to pay for this each month. But they also have over here a pay-as-you-go model. So if you wanted to offer all of the services over on this Cutout Pro, like video removal and other bits, well, guess what you can do? You can put your listing up on Fiverr over here, and you can go over here and go onto these different projects and see what people are offering, and you can start applying for them. And especially on Fiverr, once you sell a gig or sell a service, then you can go over to this Cutout Pro here, and it's pay as you go. And you can see here you can buy 10 credits for $5, and then you can offer, you can start to build up your portfolio of services that you can offer on Fiverr. And so far we've looked at what we've looked at remove a background image, and we've also looked at colorize and restore black and white photos. But what you can do is, if we go back over here to the home page, start looking at other things on here. So we've got remove unwanted objects, remove background from video. So I'll tell you what, let's take that over to Fiverr and we'll have a look at that. So let's click on here and let's type in remove background from a video. And I'm sure, yeah, I mean, look at this. £7.94, feedback of 32. Another one here, exactly the same, 32 feedback, 69.33. And if you see how much they're starting at, £7.94 is just under $10. So you could go ahead, put up a listing on Fiverr. You can actually undercut the market a little bit, and then once you sell your service on here, you can then simply go over to Cutout Pro and do the pay-as-you-go option and start, building up a portfolio that way. It's not difficult, as we can see, at all. It's literally uploading an image, and then this AI software, it does it all for you. Basically, it's a couple of clicks, and it's the same over on this Remove BG. If you want to go down the route of just removing a background, an image from a background, you just upload the image and then you download it. It's simple, it's straightforward, and it's absolutely free to get started with, okay? And look, if you found, well, that's it, basically. That is today's video. It's not difficult, it's not hard, and it's free. Now, there are other softwares you could use. You could use Canva.com, but from memory to do the image background, remove the background image, I believe you need the Pro account for that. And these are just a couple of different AI softwares. There's many more on the market, but most of them start off with a paid version, whereas using these ones, you can start for free. So look, if you liked this video, I'll leave a couple more up on the screen for you. Feel free to go ahead and check them out. If you liked the video, please give it a like. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. And if you've got any comments or questions, let me know. But look, simple, straightforward and easy. So have a great day and I'll see you tomorrow.